everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tell if a banana is ripe. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. There are essentially two factors that will allow you to know whether or not a banana is ripe. And if you get these factors right, and if you do these, sort of use these factors properly, and if you do this properly, you'll get a nice solid banana that you can use, for your breakfast or for whatever part of eating you want to use it for throughout the day. So anyways, if you want to eat a ripe banana, this is the video for you. I'll tell you how to tell when it's ripe, but not overripe. Okay, so just ripe enough. I want to make sure that you get your banana and you eat it when it is just ripe enough. Not underripe, not overripe, but just ripe enough. The two factors are going to be number one, color, and number two, feel. Okay, so color, number one, color. What are you looking for? You're looking for a banana, okay, that is yellow. Okay, it can have a little bit of green at the ends, but all of the body of the banana should be yellow. If there's the tiniest tint of green, it's still going to be okay. But you want to see basically mostly yellow for the body of the banana. And here's the key. You don't want it to be too yellow. When it's too yellow, it's going to start to get to the point where it's overripe. You want to see it where it just turned yellow. So the key to that is the ends are probably still going to be the slightest bit green. So as you can see here, this is all yellow and the ends are the slightest bit green, which to me tells me this banana just turned yellow and it's about to be overripe soon. It's ripe enough now. It's just ripe now. Okay. But if I wait another day or two, like in 2 days, this banana will be overripe because it'll just be all yellow all throughout it. So my key is that if you see the banana's yellow and then the ends are just the tiniest bit of green. Okay. The less green on the ends, the better. But you want to see just the tiniest bit of green. So a yellow banana body with a tiny bit of green on the ends. That's the color that you're looking for. That's factor one. Factor two is going to be touch. What you want to do is just gently squeeze the banana. Not hard, because you're going to bruise it if you squeeze it hard. So gently squeeze the banana, okay? And what you're feeling for is you want it to be just barely firm. Like, okay, when a banana is underripe, it's going to be hard, okay? When a banana is overripe, it's going to be kind of soft. So you want to feel it when it's in between those two extremes, which is going to be barely firm. Like it's firm, but it's like if you can imagine describing just barely the tiniest bit of softness with regards to firm. So it's firm with the tiniest bit of softness. That's the best way to describe it. When you give it a gentle squeeze, you're going to feel that it's firm with just the tiniest bit of softness. That is going to allow you to know that it is just ripe enough. Very simple. That's the second factor. So that's how to tell if a banana is ripe, okay? Number one, color. You want it to be yellow on the body of the banana and just the slightest bit of green on the ends. And number two, touch or feel, okay? You want to gently squeeze it and feel that it is firm with the tiniest bit of softness attached to that description of it being firm, okay? And that's it. Obviously, you want to avoid bruises because those are going to be, those areas of the banana are probably not going to be the best. And if there's any soft spots of the banana, like right here, the bottom is a little bit soft, which to me lets me know that probably the bottom little piece right here is not going to be the greatest. But other than that, the banana, if I open this up, when I open this up to eat it later on today, it's going to be great. So that's it. That's how to tell if a banana is ripe. Easy instructions, an easy tutorial. I've told you sort of the factors to focus on and what you can do to know that it's ripe. Hopefully you get yourself a good, solid banana to eat. And that's it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.